Presenting the Ram 2020 1500 Classic Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Quick Order Package 27B Tradesman included, engine 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, DFD, Tradesman package, gross vehicle weight, 6,800 pounds, STD, granite crystal metallic clear coat, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, delete under rail box bed liner, remote keyless entry with all secure, delete under rail box bed liner, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, DFD, and radio, Uconnect 3.0 included, integrated voice command with Bluetooth. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call